Welcome to today's video where we are driving the Dynamark and we are ripping it around the yard. Things that I've changed: I've actually made the hood scoop functional. I cut a hole in the hood and I did top speed, and it does 45 kilometers an hour or 27 miles an hour. I'm calling it at that. I don't want to go any faster with driving one-handed. So we will see how it goes. We'll try to do some hot laps here. The ground's a little slippery. Oh yeah, it's a little slippery. You can tell the governor's out of it. I have taken a bit out of that jump, but it's still there a bit. Ooh. What a ride. Ooh, that outside line gets a little sketchy. That's my seat slamming down because it's on a pivot. There's that outside line again. Hopefully this looks as fast as it does on camera as it does in my eyes. Oh, it went into second, I think. Oh no. What happened? Did we strip it again? Or did we lose the belt? No, we lost the belt. Yep. Wow. Well, I tell you, this thing really boogies. So I guess my heart's pounding. Bump, bump, bump. But anyways, here's the hood scoop. If you can see in there. Cut it out. But yeah, I already took apart the transmission earlier. And yeah, I took it apart and re-greased it. Because that thing is smoking hot right now. Not as hot as the brake was. There's a brake. That thing's hot. Oh yeah, that's hot. Wow. Insert clip. I need to fix that, tighten the brake, tighten the shifter down. But anyways, I guess that'll be the end of this video. A little quick video, show you how it rips. Rips pretty good. Something's smoking. Huh. We'll have to look into that maybe. Anyways, I'll end this video here if there's nothing too bad that's happened. But if that's the end, then hit like and subscribe and leave a comment. Till next time, have a nice day.